Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new build. It was just listed, has an RV garage. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3685 Reservation Drive, south side of town. This one was just completed and just listed today. Kind of a mix neighborhood, nice south side location. No real junk around, clean. You actually still have a little bit of side parking on the side, depending on where the actual lot line is. Looks like it goes to the gravel, so you can actually get a boat or something back in there, probably no problem. So again, this one was just listed today for $799.9. Let's go check it out. So you have a real nice entry with a big 8-foot, looks like a steel door. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, just completed, 1,844 square feet. Has dual master suites, sits on a 9,800 square foot lot. Big open living area, rear kitchen, all tile floors. Has a big double door slider out to the covered patio. Can light, ceiling fans. Looks like it's already pre-wired for speakers. Have a really nice kitchen, the big quartz topped island. They did all the trowel down walls and ceilings, 4-inch baseboards, stainless appliances. No pantry. So this is a split floor plan. The master to the left, you have your laundry, access to the garage, and your master. This house does have all 8-foot, 4-hinged interior doors. So you have a good sized master, pretty typical. Can lights, pre-wired, ceiling fan. I see they have some infrared motion detectors, so it probably looks like it's already hooked up to a alarm panel. Slider out to the backyard. So you have your master bath, dual sinks, quartz tops. Really nice, big glass door, walk-in shower. Has a pretty good sized walk-in closet. Has a couple can lights, air conditioning vent. So the toilet does have its own door. So back off the entry, we have the rest of the bedrooms. So we have guest bedroom number 1. Eight-foot double door closet. So you have a guest bath. Same quartz. Cool tile, the shower goes all the way up to the ceiling. I like the tile they picked in here, it's really nice. So you have the second master at the front of the house, end of the hallway. So it has obviously its own bathroom. Quartz counters, and this one has a little bit different of a shower, nice walk-in shower. The tile all the way to the ceiling. Very nice looking. So you have the third bedroom in front of the house, which is the master suite, dual master suite. It's like a junior master suite. 8-foot double closet doors. All right, so you have a pretty big laundry room on your way to the garage. Quartz tops, sink, washer and dryer hookups. So you have a real nice garage setup, epoxy floors, 26 foot on this 2-car side with a 10-foot door. It's 20 foot wide at the door opening. It's your soft water loop. So you also have a 60-foot RV garage with a 14-foot door, has windows, 2 mini split AC units, full hookups, 16 feet wide at the door opening. Looks like they did the LED panel lights. You have your access door out to the backyard patio. Of course, your hose bib. And they were smart. They brought your main water with the pressure regulator on the inside, so your pressure regulator doesn't sit in the sun and bake. Because when that happens and it blows, your pressure goes to full pressure. All right, so you have a pretty big, full-length covered patio, oversized, all pre-wired. Tons of room in the backyard for a pool. Looks like the neighbors already have their fence in. So the side access comes all the way back. So you can see where the property line is. They put their fence closer to their house, so you could technically put a wall in the easement here. You just have to measure from your property line to your pool water line. I think it's 3 feet.
Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Reservation. Again, this one was just listed for $799.9. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you guys can always get the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.